Sneezing is a fascinating physiological process that involves a complex interplay between our nasal passages, sinuses, and brain. When we feel that tickle in our nose, our body prepares for an explosive release of air. In slow motion, you can see the buildup of pressure as our facial muscles contract, the eyes instinctively shut, and then achoo. The sudden burst of air can travel up to 20 feet, spreading germs far and wide. Did you know the fastest recorded sneeze reached an astonishing 45 miles per hour? And some people even sneeze when they encounter bright lights. It's a quirky reflex that's both weird and wonderful, showcasing the incredible capabilities of our bodies.